Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you the top 7 BC ferries. So the top 7 is Spirit of British Columbia. It's built in 1993 Victoria, and it was launched in April 1992 when it's built, but it's probably done for the 90s. It's route for Tsawwassen to Shorts Bay, and for car capacity, it's 358. And maximum speed is 19.5 knots and 36.1 kilometers, 22.4 mph. And the top 6 is Coastal Renaissance. The Coastal Renaissance was built in 2007, Germany, and it was launched in April 2007 and completed October 27th, 2007. And route to Departure Bay to Horseshoe Bay, and the other route, Tsawwassen to Shorts Bay.
Because I want to work on it when I'm older for Coastal Renaissance.
And the top 5 is Northern Expedition. It's built in 2009, Germany, and launched to September 25th, 2008, and open service May 18th, 2009, and capacity 130 cars, and 600 passenger and crew, 55 stateroom, maximum speed 21 knots, 39 kilometers, and route for inside passage to Central Coast Bella Coola, Haida Gwaii, on from Port Hardy to Prince Rupert, and side skate, and looks like the cruise ship. MV Northern Expedition is a roll-on, roll-off. The ferry operated by BC Ferries in British Columbia, Canada. She sailed daily on the inside passage route connecting Prince Rupert and Port Hardy. The Northern Expedition was sailing for one more day to stop by the ferry terminal. And the top 4 is Sailor's Raven. It's built in 2016, Gdansk, Paul Island, and the car capacity is 138, and the passenger and crew 600, and the maximum speed is 15.5 knots, 28.7 kilometers, 17.8 mph, and in service 2017 to present. And the top 3 is Queen of Oak Bay. The Queen of Oak Bay is built in 1981, Victoria. It's completed in 1981 and upgraded in 2005, and has a route for Horseshoe Bay to Departure Bay, and maximum speed is 20.5 knots, 35 to 41 kilometers, and 22 to 25 mph. And the car capacity is 362. And passenger and crew 1,466. And 34 crews. And the top 2 is Queen of Coquitlam. The Queen of Coquitlam is built in 1976, Vancouver, and completed in July 1976, and launched December 1975 for in-service, maximum speed 20.5 knots, 38.0 kilometers, 23.6 mph, and capacity 1,470 passengers and 362 cars. Upon return of the Queen of Coquitlam, started the regular service on Horseshoe Bay Departure Bay route. The Queen of Oak Bay, which had a similar refit to Queen of Coquitlam, displaced from her route in the early summer 2005. She currently operates as the secondary vessels on Langdale to Horseshoe Bay in the summer. as well as the replacement vessels for any of the other sea classes or the super sea class vessels when they are sent from the refitting. And last but not least, the Coastal Celebration. It was built in 2007, Germany, and launched December 14th, 2007, and completed May 9th, 2008. And the maximum speed, 23 knots, 43 kilometers, 26 mph. And the car capacity, 370 vehicles, and passenger and crew, 1,604. Coastal Celebration is the third and final coastal class ship to be delivered by BC Ferries. The class consists of some of the largest double-ended ferries in the world. The vessels completed construction in 2008 and entered service in the same years, unlike her sister ships, Coastal Renaissance and Coastal Inspiration, and Coastal Celebration is equipped with the Pacific Busfit for service on the Swords Bay to Towson route. And that's it for this video of the top 7 BC ferries, and we'll see you next time in the next video. And thanks for watching.